In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of installing your brand new Nymock. First, let's take a look at what's included in every order. 1 nylon bedding, 1, 2, 3, 4 suction cups, 2 straight PVC pipes, and these 2 side pieces. Before we start, it's important that you give your windows a good wipe down beforehand. Make sure you clean your windows with some soap and water or a glass cleaner. This will remove any dirt, dust, or debris that will prevent our suction cups from creating that perfect seal. Look at what I took off of mine. Ew! While we wait for our hammocks to dry, let's start building our Nymock. First, lay out all your PVC pipes in this way. You should have your 2 white pipes and 2 blue pipes directly across from one another. Now, as you have it all laid out, connect each blue pipe to a white pipe and continue connecting until all 4 joints have been connected. Grab your nylon bedding. I have the khaki one here. Locate the 2 slits on either side of the material. These are where each of our stainless steel wires will run through. Locate these small plastic bits attached to the ends of each wire. With your nylon bedding in one hand and the small plastic piece in the other, slide each one of these plastic pieces through each one of the slits and pull both wires all the way through. With both wires through each hole, simply slide the nylon bedding onto the frame. Yours should look something like this. Now remember that small plastic piece we just used? This connects the top 2 suction cups to each one of the metal wires. With a suction cup in one hand, insert one end of the plastic bit through the middle of the suction cup and secure both ends to the left and right holes. Now insert the final 2 suction cups on the frame, and now we're good to go. After your window is completely dry, attach the top 2 suction cups to your window. When you're satisfied with each placement, rub out any air bubbles starting from the middle and working your way out. With your top 2 suction cups securely placed, secure the bottom 2 suction cups onto your window, ensuring to rub out any air bubbles as we did earlier. And that's it! Your Nymock is now securely installed and ready to go. Watch as your cat hops up and settles onto their brand new hammock. If you still encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to our 24/7 customer support. Thank you for watching, and we hope you and your furry friend enjoy their new Nymock.